Hello viewers, today I'd like to introduce to you a 2015 Hijet truck 4-wheel drive. Model grade is called Extra. Now what's extra about this truck is that it comes with a lot of chrome pieces. It comes with fog lamp with the chrome cover and the front grille cover. Also comes with a chrome side mirror, and this one also comes with an aftermarket rims, which makes this car very good and clean, and the car is clean. The cabin is hasn't been used much. It also comes with the option mat, thick mat, so underneath is protected. It's quite thick. There's hardly no marks or rust on this vehicle. It's really a nice truck, clean truck. Underneath is all clean. Inside, it's automatic. And the mileage has just done 82,000 kilometers. Comes with CD radio. Air condition is icy cold. It's a constant full, you can press the button and make it 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. Here's the automatic switch. Shift knob. Has power window. That's also something special about Extra. It comes with power window. And this person seems to put a little curtain to avoid the sun, maybe. A UV cut curtain. Okay. So here it was, introducing to you to your 2015 Hijet truck Extra. And this will be coming down very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.